back to my channel. I know you guys love a good decorate video. I do too, and that is exactly what we are doing today. We are Easter decorating. I'm so excited to finally be decorating for Easter. I got everything downstairs tidied up. So now I am in full decorate mode. I'm excited to share it with you guys today. So I'm not gonna do a whole lot of talking. Gonna turn on some music and we're gonna jump into decorating for Easter. So excited to put this little guy out. Isn't he the cutest? Oh, he is the cutest. So I have this green artificial grass table runner, and I'm gonna use this on this white console. I think I'm gonna start out with putting Mickey here. He is the cutest thing ever.
Which I did that.
You just said that? So I have the cutest Raedunn bowl that says Easter eggs, and I'm gonna add some of these artificial fox eggs into it. Suggested that we watch Peter Rabbit, so I'm about to put some Peter Rabbit on, and then we're going to continue decorating. So this is the end result after moving things around a million times. So I did have the Mickey up here, but I decided to just take him down and I put him in front of the fireplace. Added some jelly beans. I'm really loving how this came together. In here, these little glass eggs, these were my grandmother's. They are ornaments that hang on a tree, but the tree got damaged. So I've just been putting them in this basket along with these little guys. These also were supposed to hang on the tree. I love this little guy. He is holding on by a thin hair. I've had him for many, many years and his ear is about to break off, but I love him. He is so cute. Then I added some little grass inside of here with the eggs, and I just scattered some more eggs throughout the grass. But I really love how this has come together. I put a little gnome in this Easter basket. And then moving down here to this little tray, I put down some of my Easter placements that I had from last year, along with a bunny dish with some chocolate eggs and these wine glasses. My mom gave me these a few years ago, so I've had these for many years and they're starting to fall apart on me, so I may get some new ones soon. These wine glasses are just too cute. So I put my wine glasses there and I put a little candle here and this little bunny holder. I won't light this candle, it's just really for decoration. And I put a little bunny there. Then onto the bar cart. Of course, I have my felt word board. I use the verbiage, "Somebody loves you." And I put a little wooden bunny there along with some of these carrots. Lots of Raedunn pieces. So I have my wine glasses, and then my grandmother gave me these many years ago, and so they just little danglies. I put them on there as well, along with some adorable napkins. On the second tier, I just put a coffee mug with some straws. Not a whole lot going on. On the couch, this bunny is very special. I've had this bunny for, I bought it when I was pregnant with Tatiana, and we have had it since, so it's about 6.5 years old. So we've been hanging on to him. And then we have our minis, of course. We do have another Easter mini, but the girls have already gotten into things, so I don't know what they did with it. But we have these pink pillows with the bunny ears, and then on this one we have another pink one, and this one says Happy Easter. On the mantle, just put this little bunny jar with some grass and an egg, another little bunny. And then down here, I have some Easter egg fillers in here along with some more grass. And I have Easter Mickey here holding a carrot and an Easter egg. He is so cute, I love him. So I did have him on that white console, but I decided to move him here. And then I just have some more eggs there. So moving on to the kitchen, on the table, didn't do a whole lot in the kitchen. So I just have this bunny table runner with this bunny. Little Raedunn salt and pepper with the little chicks in the little basket, along with some tulips and a candle that says hippity hop. Again, I won't light this. This would just be for decorations. And then I have this picture that is really cute with all the bunnies and the tulips on it. And then I just have the bags from the extra candy hanging out in there. Very simple. In the kitchen, I added this welcome peep sign over the stove top. And I'm so sad that this bunny treats broke. So I'm gonna try to fix that. So that's just hanging out for now. And over here in my little coffee tea area, I didn't do a tier tray this time. I just used the cake stand. And this canister says jelly beans, but I'm actually using it to hold some of my tea. So this is like my tea coffee station. I just have a couple of Raedunn mugs. I love these Raedunn mugs that are a little different. I like those as well. They have a little chick here. Now, a lot of these pieces have been given to me either from my mom or my grandma. So these are extra special pieces to me. So that's it. Not really a whole lot going on in the kitchen. Into the bathroom, I added a few pieces. I added this a little Happy Easter hand towel. And then into the eucalyptus, I just added an egg on each side and a little bunny. And that is it. And for the bathroom, this mug is super cute. It says Honey Bunny. So this is my teacup. So I'm gonna enjoy my tea. I'm gonna end this video here. Thanks for hanging out with me and decorating for Easter. I'm super excited to get my Easter decorations out. Still gonna be adding a piece here or there, but I'm definitely loving the setup of this. Let me know down in the comments below if you think I should have left the Mickey here on the white console or if you like him in front of the fireplace. The girls like him in front of the fireplace. Thanks for hanging out with me today, you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Meet me down in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we will see you guys in the next one.